that. Last command I did was that. Okay. Now we can test it out. Finally, after all this. Python 3 assistant.py. No module named that, so I got to install that. Let's make sure it's the right. It's the dash. There we go. Install that. And it's got to install Torch. Of course it does. So let's test it out over on Windows then and see if that will work. Hey, Aaron, how are you? Damn. Maps to undefined. Okay. So I need to string that. Actually, you know what? Let's not do that. String, and then config prompt. Let's just do string there. And this one, string there. Hey, Aaron, how are you?
Hey, I'm doing pretty good. Thanks for asking. Just hanging out. How about you? What's going on?
See, it's me. It's all me.
Hey, it's you. I hear you. Can you tell me a little more about what's going on? It's all me. That sounds heavy. Are you saying you're feeling like everything's falling on your shoulders? Or more like you're blaming yourself for something? I'm here. No rush.
So it works. It works great. Actually, it works really, really good. And it's saving the memory for it too, which is great as well. So what we're going to do is I'm going to actually move this over to here so you guys can see the code too. We're going to split this down or strip it so that it saves as one line instead of, whatever. And then we're going to go to the memory and remove that, delete it. And then I'm also going to close out the config and the keys because you guys don't need to see what my config is. Yeah, you really don't. I'm going to make sure I don't show that on stream if I can handle it, that's for sure. So we'll see. We'll see if I can handle it or not. Duck. Hi, Duck. How are you? Yeah, it's really accurate, isn't it? I like it. I like it a lot. It's really cool. Mr. Duxer. Mr. Duxer. Mr. Duxer. We're going to add a new feature into this. We're going to add a new feature. We're going to make it in modules, or do I want to make it? I'm going to make it in AI. Infer and infer question dot py. We're gonna go to assistant. Let's see here. Where's my Anthropic? Right here. And then we're gonna do def. You are peckish. Love that. I already had some food, so I'm pretty good. Secondary. Default AI. We're gonna call it that, and then we're gonna do prompt message. And then we're gonna do several things here actually. So we're going to, let's see. First, we're going to get this so we can get all of that. And then we're going to get the secondary prompt. Prompts, new folder, AI system, and then we're going to just do new file, system, default, or I could just call it default dot YML. And then we'll do that. Name is system. Age is, let's do 20. And then the birthday is 01/01/20. 2006. All right, let's see here. So that's that, and that's in there. Okay. We're gonna also remove that. Well, not remove it. We're gonna just get prompt system. Then we're going to do utils config. Read YML prompt system. And then we're going to do AI prompts copy path. Or no, it's not copy path. It's copy relative path. There we go. Great. AI system config file. Okay, good. And then we're going to just do that. Default. Default, there we go. And this thing's sole purpose is going to be to do whatever the assistant needs it to do as far as inferring upon if I'm asking the AI a question or not. So we're going to do text equals none, but also if, let's see here, let's not do that there, let's do it right. Let's see here, it's right here. Okay, module AI dot, it's main AI execute, so that's fine, but we need to do the secondary, there we go. infer equals string. And then we're going to also do, if the AI is being asked a question directly, def, def infer. And then we'll do, let's see here, message and the previous prompt. And then we'll also do this over to here. Is it? It's config. Config.readyml base AI. And it's reading from the base AI, import the base AI, secondary default AI. Okay. And then we're going to be doing your task is to infer if this user is asking the AI a question based upon two factors for now. Is the user, did the user say the AI's name? Did the user ask a direct question? If the user said a direct question, but not the AI's name, you could still say true. If not, false. Required format for responding true or false. There we go. And then we will do return infer. And then we will do from modules modules.ai dot infer import infer QUSTION infer question. Okay. And then we will do this right here. And for question dot infer. And we will do the message is text. It is a string. And the prompt, let's see here. Context is below. Let's format this the right way. Context. All right. Message. Message. Okay. There we go. Message. AI prompt. Prompt. Remember the response format. True for true for the question was inferred was directed toward to the AI. False. False. For the question was not directed to the AI. Okay. All right, let's see here. All right, so then for question is in, and then the prompt needs to be put in too. Let's see here. The prompt is this config data, config.yml, base prompt, prompt.yml, config prompt. All right, so it's right there. Okay. Config prompt. Okay, so I need to add it all in, but let's just do string this and we'll see if it does it correctly. And then we'll do inferred that, inferred if inferred equals true, then we will do all of this, else we will return false. There we go. And we will also print not an inferred question. Clear. this. No, I didn't go there today. Okay, import lib is not defined because obviously it's not. No, I didn't go there today. Okay, it's missing message. I don't need message. Or I don't need prompt. No, I didn't go there today. How about you? Did you go there?
Your message came through a bit unclear. Could you rephrase what you're asking? It sounds like you might be asking if I went somewhere, but I want to make sure I understand before I answer.
All right. So it's inferring upon the directed questions, but not the indirected questions. Hey, Aaron, how are you? Hmm. Why did it still... Maybe it's because encoding UTF-8. Try that. Hey, Aaron, how are you?
Hey, I'm doing pretty good, thanks for asking. Just hanging out. How about you? What's going on?
Not much, just chilling. So it needs to infer not only upon the current question and the prompt, but it also needs to infer upon the history. So it needs to get history of what, you know, what what was used to be said. So it needs to get the previous like maybe 10 messages. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to do we're going to do another infer question. Prompt message dash history. And then we're going to also do message. And then we're going to do history. History. There we go. History. There we go. based upon 3 factors. Does the user's chat history suggest the user is speaking to the AI? There we go. And then we're going to do infer. And then we're going to read the memory file, as it were, with open memory as F. And then we're going to do, let's just do read, I guess, please. And then we'll do if, is there an OS in here? No, there's not. Import. If os.path, is it file.path or is it, let's see, Python OS, if file exists, os.path file is file. Okay. There we go. Go. And if it is a file, we'll open it with this. And then we will do f.read lines. Is it with open read previous 10 lines? Go. F. We'll do history. There we go. History. There we go. String. There we go. There we go. Okay. So now it should get all that context. Hello, how are you, Bob? Today is down here. Why? What? Oh, yeah, that's right. Okay. So I need to put today up here. How are you today, Bob? How are you today, Aaron? What is your name?
My name is Aaron Franks.
What is your status? So it's trying to get the memory now. It tried to save a memory. I don't know why. Let's try testing it out. Core-L. No sound cards found. Okay. WSL share microphone. Let's see here. Jeez, I can't stop burping. Nope, it's installing. Yay. Okay, and it's done. Go. Go. And bind. Bus ID. Steel Series alias. Administrator privileges. Okay, I can get those. Of course, I can get those. There we go. Everybody can still hear me? Yep, everybody can still hear you. Okay, cool. And then this ID. Attach it. Yes, I would love to attach it. Twice busy. Oh, okay. So I have to actually get a different mic. Okay, I'll do that. I can do that. Or I could use the mic on my headphones. I'm sure. I don't know if that matters or not. But we'll see. Or maybe I can't get the mic on my headphones. Let's see. I'm gonna find a different mic. We're going to cut to BRB, and I'll be right back if I can do it. Alrighty, so I found another microphone. I got it hooked in. Now I just gotta list the devices, share or bind the device, yes. Bind the device. So I gotta have administrator privileges to do that, okay. Alright, let's do that. Bind ID 31. And then 31. There we go. Awesome. Cool. It's bound. Bound to it. Yes, it is. No sound cards found. Okay, well, what else do I have to do here? There we go. Got it. All right, so now let's test it out. Hello, how are you? Hello? So it worked then. All right, so now I can do pip freeze requirements .txt, and that froze all of my requirements to a file to where I can now let's see here. I'm just going to install them, not wanting to break anything the way it is now, because it is in perfect condition, I think, to be able to run rag memory. So we'll see. We shall see. Hello, how are you? Or audio library not found. Okay. So now I need to install libport audio. There we go. Got it. Hello, how are you? Pi audio now. Let's just install Pi audio. There we go. Hey, how are you? Module found named Pi audio. Okay, so that means that it didn't get installed correctly. Or it installed correctly, it just, I mean, my Python can't find it, so I have to install it like this. See if it'll work. Doesn't it doesn't. I'll have to find something else. See if we can do something else. There it goes. Awesome. Hello, how are you? No module named Deepgram. Deepgram. And then what other Deepgram? I already got that installed. At least I hope I do. Pip install Deepgram. Alright, well, Let's see what's wrong with installing Deepgram. The heck? Can I still hear? Am I able to still hear? What the heck? I don't understand why it did that. I'm gonna do that. I can't hear anything right now. There we go. There we go. Now I can hear things. Don't understand why my headphones do that sometimes, but they do. I need to get corded headphones, honestly. I really want to get some corded headphones that actually work really good, and aren't like crazy expensive. Or maybe they are crazy expensive. I don't care. I don't really know. I mean, I want good corded headphones, you know? Really good corded headphones. All right, let's see here. Let's see if this will work. If it'll install anytime this year, I guess. All right, let's see here. There it goes. Hello, Aaron. How are you? It's not doing anything. I don't know why. What is it doing? Makes me think, what is it doing? Huh. What did it do? Damn. Do I have to press the button on the microphone? Because I'm not sure if I remember correctly if I have to or not. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? I really need to get this working on Windows, if anything. No module found named Torch. What version of Torch do I need, though? That's the question. Let me check. I need Torch version 2.3.1. Okay. Let's try doing it on Windows, maybe. Maybe it'll work on here. Because what WSL seems to not want to work right now. So we'll close out of that. do that. No module named torch. Okay. Why is it doing that in this environment? See, torch. Torch is right here. Hmm. Cannot wait till I get my setup a lot better. I need it to look so much better. Personally, what I want is a 6 monitor setup where I can actually have everything running the way I want it to be running, which would be awesome, yeah. But it's just I gotta have the money to do it. Hopefully when I get more money I can actually do something like that. And yep. It's the email for the account. Webmail. Go to my webmail. How about we just continue with Google then? There we go. Hmm. Damn. This is weird. Really weird. Let's play a little bit of music here. I need no copyright sounds though. There we go. That's great. That's some music. Let me actually try using a different memory rag function thing. Yeah, let's do that. Alright, let's see here. Let's go to rag. That. Documents. Memory. Index. Alright, now I can recode Aaron. Instead of save memory, he's got just get memory. And then we're going to do assistant.py, and we're going to make it so that save memory is no longer a thing that it can do, because it saves all memories anyways. Okay. Alright, let's try it. Make sure it's not trying to import the other one again. Yeah, I need the fully local version. That's what I need. Right there. Okay, cool. Go. Memory. There we go. Go. Let's try that. Okay, install it. I need a pillow. My butt's starting to hurt. Let's see if this will work better. I have to get something for my butt because my butt hurts all the freaking time. Whenever I'm in my chair or anything, it just hurts. So I need to get something for it. Some kind of soft chair pillow, specifically for people who program all the time. There we go. Hello, how are you?
Hey, I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How about you? How's your day going?
Pause the music for a second. My name is Aaron. What's yours?
Hey, Aaron, I'm Aaron too. Small world, right? What's going on?
Not much. How about you?
Pretty chill here, just hanging out. What's been going on with you lately? Anything fun planned or just taking it easy?
Just coding and taking it easy, honestly. Oops, out of that. That is right. That's true. Close out of that again. It looks like the assistant is saving the memory as see, it's like Aaron Franks. Hey, I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How about you? How's your day going? Then it has the user right here. So I don't know what's going on with that. I mean, that might be it. Let's try this. /in. Hey, how are you, Aaron?
Hey, I'm doing pretty good. Thanks for asking. Just hanging out. How about you? What's going on?
Not much, just coding. What are you doing?
Just chillin', kind of bouncing between a few things. What are you coding? Anything fun, or is it one of those why won't this work kind of nights?
Well, luckily it's not one of those kind of nights. I'm really glad for that, honestly. See, it says not an inferred question, but I was responding to Aaron, so. Okay, let's restart it. And then start it back up and see what happens. Coding an assistant that can help me with my basically everyday life. Damn. So it did a lot here. So it put a lot in there. So rag memory get. So it needs to get the context of what it wants. So let me actually see if I can, oh gosh. Let's see here. Python code to get certain text until new line. So see, it's doing get memory, errands, coding projects, daily routines, preferences, and ongoing life context. So it needs to be able to get that. So I'm going to do, context AI. Let's see here. Let's see. Let's see here. Give me a second. Let's see here. Hmm. Try that again, Aaron. No, try that again, Aaron. Aaron, are you there? Hey, Aaron, how are you?
Hey, I'm doing pretty well, thanks for asking. Just kind of chilling. How about you? What's going on?
Hey, Aaron, how are you? What?
I'm ready to watch the show.
I know I said I'm moving it.
Yes.
I'm gonna stop streaming with you coming in here this much.
Oh, sorry.